Hey everybody, I wanted to take a quick video of this because I hadn't seen a front differential like this quite before. This is the front differential out of the aluminum center chunk of a 2003 Suzuki Vitara, and I've already put this in my press and pressed off the bearing on the end, which actually came off really easy. So you take the bearing off. And then I actually ended up destroying this vacuum actuator. I tightened my clamp too tight. I couldn't fit this clamp underneath the bearing, and I didn't have a fancier bearing puller, so I just went ahead and smashed this so I could get it off. And I ended up smashing the other side. There's this lip that sticks down inside there. But basically, this is the four-wheel drive actuator on these Suzukis and the Chevy Trackers. All it does is there's an air line that goes in right there that I broke off. So that air line goes in right there, and basically the little pump behind the front bumper pushes down on this spring-loaded collar right here. And as you can see, I had welded this together, and I didn't think it would take all that much pressure. But the other day I was off-roading and heard a clang, and then the four-wheel drive quit working, and that's what happened. It had broken my welds there. I should have welded it more, but like I said, I didn't think it was gonna see that much pressure, so it ended up breaking. So I have to take off this bearing and the ring gear, because you can see right here there's two screws that are holding the two halves of the differential together. So once you have the vacuum actuator off, you can pull that off. And then this is cool because I've never seen one quite like this before. Actually, you gotta take these two screws out. It's just a number 2 Phillips. Then you can split the differential in half, and you can see this springs back this collar, and that's all that it takes to engage your four-wheel drive. So what it's doing is it's pushing down on that collar and engaging these teeth with the teeth right here. And so you can see this piece right here. I've never seen one quite like this before. Right here, it's disengaged. It freewheels inside the differential till you lock those teeth in, and then it basically locks this outer case into the differential and makes it one. But you can see inside here it's just an open differential. Has 2 spiders and 2 side gears. That's where your axle shafts go in. So that's all I had there. I just wanted to show you guys the guts of the inside of this thing. I still got to decide how I want to fix it. I think I'm going to end up just welding it up somehow, but I haven't gotten that far yet. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. That's the inside of a Suzuki Vitara Chevy Tracker front differential. Here's an extra little piece of video so you can see these teeth working. So I'm going to push up, I'm going to line them up, push up. So this is with four-wheel drive engaged, and this is with four-wheel drive disengaged. Notice how this housing spins. It's because this cross pin doesn't go through the outer part of the differential. So this is disengaged. This is engaged. This is disengaged.